So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's already mid 2025. I don't know about you, but we need to level up our makeup games. If you still have no idea about your makeup, don't worry, I'm here for you. There are so many steps in makeup: primer, foundation, concealer, highlighting concealer, color correction, bronzer, contour, highlighter, setting spray. Oof, so much. Today I'm going to break everything down step by step for you and explain what we use each product for. Don't believe me? Watch this video till the end. The very first step in makeup is primer. Now, why do we use a primer? So that the foundation doesn't directly sit on our face. Primer creates a very thin layer between our face and the foundation and preventing it from settling into fine lines. I don't want to spend too much time talking about primer, otherwise the whole video will end up being all about primers. So there are basically 4 types of primers: illuminating primer, hydrating primer, a pore filling primer, and a silicone based primer. So if your skin have a lot of texture and fine line, silicone based primer is really good for you. And if you have dry skin, illuminating and glowy primer will work out so well on your skin. And if your skin is dehydrated, water based primer is a great option. If you have a lot of open pores on your cheeks and lot of acne scars, I think a pore filling primer will be a good option for you. So for primer, I'm using the Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 Primes, Protect and Moisturize Primer. एंड मैं इसको सिर्फ अपने टी जोन पे लगा रही हूँ एंड इट्स रियली ग्रेट फॉर बिगिनर्स. यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन दिस वन. So that is it for primers. Now let's move on. Now let me explain a little bit about foundation. No, we don't use foundation to make our skin fairer. Unfortunately, most of the Indians think that we use foundation to make our skin fair. Foundation is used to even out the skin tone. For example, we might have dark circles under the eyes, hyperpigmentation around the mouth, and a lot of acne spots on our face. To even out all the problems in just one product, so to make the entire face uniform, cancel all the discoloration on our face and make the whole face even tone, so that's why we use a foundation. So that's why foundation comes in a wide range of shades to match different skin tones. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. The shade I'm using here, this is 332 Golden Caramel. This is my exact foundation shade match. And on this side I'm using my beauty blender to blend my foundation. और आपको ज़्यादा coverage चाहिए तो you can build it up using more foundation, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे किया है. टू मैच द ब्रश साइड. हम सबको पता है ब्रश से फाउंडेशन लगाने से कवरेज ज़्यादा मिलता है और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर इज़ रियली गुड फॉर योर नेचुरल मेकअप लुक. द ब्रश आई एम यूजिंग हेयर इट्स फ्रॉम नायका और ये बहुत ही अच्छा अफोर्डेबल एक ब्रश है. और इसका लिंक और जो भी मैं प्रोडक्ट इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ इस वीडियो में, सारे प्रोडक्ट का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूँगी. और दिस ब्रश इज़ अंडर 300 रुपीज़. जब मुझे ये ब्रश रिसीव हुआ था, आई कैन बिलीव दैट इतना अफोर्डेबल में मुझे इतना ब्रश मिल गया है. एंड इट्स बाय द ब्रांड ग्लीवा एंड इट्स अंडर 300 एंड इट्स रियली चीप एंड अफोर्डेबल एंड गुड क्वालिटी ब्रश. सो वी यूज़ कंसीलर टू हाईलाइट सर्टेन एरियाज ऑफ आवर फेस. Example, the center of our forehead, the under eyes, the bridge of our nose, and here we apply the highlighting concealer. And usually we choose a concealer which is 1 to 2 shade lighter than our foundation shade for highlighting. For concealer, I'm using the Mars Conceal Concealer in the shade Honey, 2 shade lighter than my foundation, and I'm applying it on the high points of my face where the light hits naturally, and I'm blending out with the same beauty blender. And as I mentioned, this concealer shade is 1 to 2 shade lighter than my foundation, and it's blends so easily. It's the affordable concealer and it's great for highlighting, and it is a full coverage concealer. Now let's talk about contouring. Suppose someone has a very chubby face and round and fuller face, and to give their face some sculpted and defined look, we use contour. For an example, someone has a double chin and they want to hide it using makeup, so they use contour. That's basically what contour does, and I personally don't contour a lot. You must have noticed in my makeup tutorials that today I'm going to show you how to do it. For contouring, I'm using the NYB contour stick. It's a super affordable, pigmented and easy to blend. I draw a very small line to do my contour. Like यहाँ से लेके एकदम लिप्स तक लाइन मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ज़्यादा हर्श लगता है वैसे लॉन्ग लाइन कॉन्टूरिंग के, और मैं बहुत ही स्मॉल लाइन ड्रॉ करती हूँ और ऐसे अपवर्ड्स की तरफ ब्लेंड करती हूँ. Now what is bronzer? A lot of people get confused what is bronzer and what is contouring. Bronzer is something that gives warmth and sun-kissed look to your face, and contouring is more of a like creating shadow on our face. This is the difference between a bronzer and a contouring, and we use bronzer to add warmth and it's make our skin look more healthier and radiant. So that's what bronzer does. If you apply bronzer, sometimes you can skip contouring. You would say their purpose is kind of similar but not exactly same. And for bronzer, I'm using the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. This is the most affordable blendable bronzer that I ever used, and this product should be viral. This product gives me a really nice subtle sun-kissed look. Now I will talk about powder. There are two types of powder. One is compact powder and another one is loose powder. So compact powder is really good for your everyday base makeup, while loose powder is good for heavier and glam makeup. Main job of powder is to lock everything in. It sets all the cream products that we have applied on our face. After applying all the cream products to set everything in place, I'm using Swiss Beauty loose powder in the shade 04. It's affordable, it's lightweight, blends beautifully and it's worth every single penny. मैंने इसको purchase किया था 1.5 year पहले and I'm still using it. It's amazing. We used a blush to add a healthy flush of color on our cheeks, bringing life and vibrancy to the face. Blush helps to give our face a healthier and natural flush of color. Blush can enhance the overall makeup look by adding some color on our face. For blush, I'm using the Rimmel London Maxi blush and it's a beautiful pink shade and इसका pigmentation बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, बहुत ही subtle से एक flush of color provide करता है. And what is a setting spray? Setting spray is used to lock your makeup and ensure that it lasts throughout the day. It helps to keep everything in place and it makes sure that your makeup doesn't fade. This one is the Mars Seal the Deal Setting Spray. For eye makeup, I'm creating a brown smoky eye look. Super beginner friendly and really easy to do. You just only need 2 eyeshadows. First, I will take the light brown transition shade and blend it in the crease. And then I will take a darker brown shade and apply it into the eyelid. And don't forget to blend that too harsh line between these 2 eyeshadow shades. For the lips, I'm using the eyebrow pencil as a lip liner. And the lipstick I'm using here, this is the Mars 02 Style Icon shade. एंड उसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ स्विस ब्यूटी का लिप बाम इन द शेड कैरामल. सो ये तीनों शेड यूज़ करके मैंने आज का लिप कॉम्बो क्रिएट किया है एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू क्रिएट एंड इट्स really complement the outfit and the eye makeup I feel like. And for the highlighter I'm using the 02 golden shade, the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. हाइलाइटर अप्लाई करने के लिए मैं फ़ैन ब्रश यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. उससे क्या होता है ना, एक ही जगह हाइलाइटर लगा रहता है. तो आप कोई ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश यूज़ कर सकते हो highlighter अप्लाई करने के लिए, आई शेडो ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश और एनी पाउडर ब्रश. I hope you found this tips helpful. I hope after watching this video you should have some knowledge about makeup. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel and see you in the next one. Bye marshmallows.